If you're wondering what ports are on the top and the bottom of your Galaxy S26 or the S26 Plus, so in this video, I will answer this question. Now, if we grab our Samsung Galaxy S26 and if we look at the bottom of the phone, we will find a few ports and holes on the frame. Let's start all the way from the left side. At the left side, you will find your SIM card tray. And on the SIM card tray, you will find the SIM card tray hole. Now, do not mistake it with the microphone hole because this one is on the SIM card tray. Now, to extract the SIM card tray, just use the SIM card ejection tool which comes with your phone in the box, or you can use any other SIM card ejection tool. Now, just insert the SIM card ejection tool in the SIM card tray hole at the bottom of your phone. Now, just press it gently, and the SIM card tray will pop out from the frame. Now, just extract the SIM card tray from the frame, and by doing that, you will get access to your SIM card. Now, to insert it back into your phone, just insert the SIM card tray into the frame and make sure that the hole on the SIM card tray aligns with the hole on the frame, just like that. As you can see, there is a small hole over here and there is a small hole on the frame. After you align it, then just insert it and press it gently. Now, after the SIM card tray, you will find your main microphone. Now, there are two microphones on your Galaxy phone. This microphone is used for phone calls and voice recordings. After the microphone, you will find the USB Type-C port. Now, by using this port, you can charge your phone or you can transfer data from or to your phone. After the charging port, you will find one of the two speakers of your phone. Now, of course, you have two speakers on the Galaxy S26 and the S26 Plus to get a stereo sound effect. Now, if you look at the top of your phone, you will find two holes. The hole on the right side is for the second microphone of your phone, and the hole on the left side works with the second speaker, which is in the earpiece of your phone, to get you a stereo sound effect. Now, if you're wondering what are these lines on the frame of your phone, now these lines are the antenna bands of your Samsung phone. Now, if you look on the right side of your phone, you will find three buttons. The small button over here is the power button. By using this button, you can power on or power off your phone, and these are the volume buttons of your phone. And by using these buttons, you can increase the volume or decrease the volume of your Samsung phone, just like that. As you can see, this is one of the antenna bands on the frame, and on the left side, there is pretty much nothing except for the antenna bands. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.